Hi, this is Ron Whittington with the Florida RV Trade Association, Northeast Florida chapter, and I'm here today with Michele Berg. And Michele is the owner of Iceberg Mobile RV. So I want you to tell me just a little bit about how did you get into this? You know, it's mostly a predominantly male industry, so how did you get into RVs and doing RV repair?
Well, I used to be a full-time RVer, but I've always been good with my hands, and I, would do YouTube and figure things out. Then I had a kind of catastrophic failure and met an mobile RV technician. And he came out, helped out, but I hung out with him while he was doing it, and he goes, "You've got an aptitude, and they have a school in Florida." And I go, "Really?" And my husband and I were talking about, I would want to work. I'm too young to retire, so I want to stay busy. And I love learning new things. I love working with my hands, so it made sense for us.
How long have you had the business?
I started the business just over a year ago.
Okay, so it's fairly new.
Yes.
What's the reaction when you show up and it's you and the truck?
Everybody's been very receptive. They're more of a "you go girl," and then they go, "That's a nice truck." So I don't know if they're more impressed with me or the truck, but I do my best to be honest with the customers. I'm very open in what I do, and I'm very happy to say I have a lot of repeat customers and some dedicated campgrounds that I service.
Okay, good. And the area you service, now you're in Northeast Florida, you go up beyond Northeast Florida or just our counties here?
I've mostly here in Northeast Florida. I do Putnam County, St. Johns County, Volusia, Flagler. I have gone all the way out to Ocala. People have asked me to go out there. And I'm like, well, if it's something that you need and you're not getting that kind of service, I was able to work it in my schedule, I go.
What's the most common problem maintenance-wise that they have?
Right now, air conditioners. And second would be awnings. We have those thunderstorms that pop up, and people will leave their RV, forget that their awning is out. They might be just at the playground. And the wind picks up and their awning comes off. And there I am, so I've taken them off, I've put them on, I've replaced torn ones. Air conditioners, they do need some TLC sometimes.
And last thing, from the RVers you've met, do most of them is it usually something like that, an accident, as opposed to just them not maintaining their vehicle that causes it to break down? Or
I would say it's 50-50. Some of it, we have a lot of full-timers here, and just like as we're aging, we got to keep moving or we stiffen up. RVs are the same way. You got to exercise them. So every 6 months to a year, pull the slides in, fire up the furnace, whether we need it here or not, but keep things moving in an RV. Otherwise, it molders.
Gotcha.
But preventative maintenance is key. I see so many air conditioners fail because they're not cleaned properly. Up on the roof, you got to do it once a year. More often, maybe if you have pets, but even your filters, once a month at the minimum. Good
information. And if your RV does go kaput on the road and you're in Northeast Florida or surrounding area and need some help, call Michele. For more information on her business, go to icebergmobilerv.com.